Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about editing a video description on the YouTube Studio app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube Studio app and select the Content button. Locate the video you want to edit the video description for, and then select the pencil icon in the top right. Scroll down underneath description, click inside this field, and you can go ahead and edit or modify the description in here. Once you're done, select the little back arrow at the top left to save it, and then you would need to click on the save button up at the top again to officially save the changes you made. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.